up, everybody? It's your girl Varquidia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's day 17 of Vlogmas, which means that we're getting super close to Christmas Day. I'm so excited because I love Christmas, like I keep mentioning, and I'm just excited to spend some time with my family and chill, relax, because work has been stressful and kicking my behind, okay? But what? Do you need something?
I think I found a piece of paper.
Give me just a second, y'all. Anyways, like I was saying before I got interrupted, I am obviously here with my nephew Adrian and my niece Sophia. She's still in my bedroom sleeping. I got him some breakfast and got him ready for his Zoom meeting. It's pretty early in the morning. It's only like 8:15 in the morning. So I got him together for his Zoom, and I took a shower, got dressed and stuff. And yeah, I'm getting ready to start the day. Yesterday we had our first big snowstorm of the winter season, so I think I'm gonna take them outside today for a little bit to enjoy the snow and play in it and things like that. And I have to clean off my car. Like, this is the first time I'm away from my mom's house, so like my brothers can't help me clean off my car and things like that. So hopefully I have some really nice neighbors that decide to help me clean my car. But that's all. I don't know what else I'm gonna get into in this video, so just stay tuned to see kind of what my day consists of and what else I'd get into today. So just stay tuned and let's just get right into the video. Thankfully, my sister doesn't live too far away, so she was able to come over and help me unshovel my car. As you can see, we only had one shovel, so it took us a little longer, and I was using a dustpan to clean off as much snow as possible. And you can also see Adrian just walking around trying to help and just, you know, doing what kids do. We just cleaned the snow and Sophie just woke up. Say what's up, girl. Say hi, Sophie. She's just like her auntie, and we're here to have some fun. It's a snow day today, and my girl's trying to wild out and be all over the place.
I'm scared. I'm gonna try.
Cause I ain't pushing you, boy.
I know I'm trying to push myself.
You're gonna bust your behind. Watch.
Okay.
Be careful.
Fun. I think you should try this. Just figured out a new way how to go down.
Go ahead. Go up a little bit more. Oh, you're gonna do it there?
Uh-huh. Wait, no, I need to do it on my back.
Wow. His mom is gonna kill me.
No, but you have to put your hands on this, not like putting it back and forward. Now start putting your hands back and forward. Like a snow angel. And your feet. That's how a snow angel goes. Is that fun?
To doing this. This is definitely not the life that I'm about. I'm definitely a summer baby, so you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Best auntie out here, you know what I mean?
And
Who the best auntie?
You.
I bet to be.
Anthony.
Boy.
Both of you.
No, just me.
No,
it's like, nah.
Yeah, and also, like, it looks like we're at the mountain. We're at the North Pole, but there's mountains around us.
My hands are cold.
I'm just gonna walk over there where the snow is empty.
So we're heading back to my house.
Because
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Adrian, I want to beat your behind. Anyways, we're going back to my house because it's getting too cold, and Marianela's probably waiting for me because she stayed with Sophie for a little bit so that I can come outside with Adrian. So we're heading back. It's a big hill. We got a little walk, okay? So I'm already out of breath. So I'll see you guys when I get inside my house. So we just got back in from playing in the snow. We got our hot chocolate to warm us up. Adrian has his, and he has his mug is from what? What's your mug? Santa Claus.
Santa's belt.
Santa's belt. And then mine says, teaching is a work of art. If you work with kids, then you know. But anyways, we got our hot chocolate, warming up a little bit. We had so much fun. Did you have fun, Adrian?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Getting myself cold. I'm kidding.
What was your favorite part?
Throwing a snowball at you.
That wasn't my favorite part. Anyways, we had such a good time. And that's all for today's video. We want to make sure that you keep watching all of the other Vlogmas videos and continue to tune in every single day for a new video. And that's all for today. We hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Make sure to put a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you get notified when my aunt posted a new video.
Exactly what he said. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
We had so much fun. Wait, what was your favorite piece?
We said bye like 10 times. My favorite part was doing the snow angel and the scenery. It was really, really nice out there. It looked like we were in the mountains, right?
I know. Yeah, it also looks like we were at the North Pole and there was mountains behind us.
Yep. So that's all for today's video, you guys. We'll see you guys in the next one. We're going to warm up and drink our hot chocolate and probably watch a movie. And that's all for today. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.